Right, another lap of Buriram. Okay, start, finish straight. Now, 1 to meter first, second, third, fourth. Brake at 170, down to third. Big straight coming up, so lots of drive. Somewhere by the 200 board, down to second. Loads of room on the entrance. Bring it back for an apex. And then fire it down this next straight. Fourth again. Fifth. Great. Back and forth for this one. Tight to the curb to miss the bumps. Right. Third, second. Back into this series of lefts. So 1, up a gear, back in for the second one, hold it left, it's the first apex, want to hit for the second, fire, top of third, great, I've been using this one in third, but I think you can go second, fire again, back to second for this one, hold it out, now bring it into the end of the curve, back to third. Get in tight for this one. Hold it, go! Third, second, bit of clutch. Back to first. Big bumps on the apex of this one. And then back out, drive hard in first gear. Second, third.